This is a very simple capture race challenge for black. Black has 3 liberties left, while white has 4. But black can easily extend its liberties by standing down here. This is a technique that we've seen in other problems before. Standing down here on the first line will give black 4 liberties. And in this situation, number 1 is also threatening to capture these 3 white stones. So if white plays on this side, black can throw in here and catch white in a connect and die. White cannot connect this way. And that is why white must connect here. White cannot play this move. This will set up the connect and die as well. So white can only play here or here. And now this is 4 liberties versus 4 liberties. And black can win very easily at number 3. So that's it. Very simple problem. A couple of minor key takeaways. Number 1 is that this first move, standing down here, is a good way to increase your liberties. And number 2, in this situation, number 1 also threatens to capture white in a connect and die. And that is a pattern that you should recognize. Good luck and thank you for watching.